Welcome, fam. Today is day 31, our bonus day. Remain in the flow. We are right at the finish line. You have done a great job. If you stuck through from day 1 till day 30 and day 31 today, fantastic job. You are doing a great job. You missed a day or two, it's okay. Feel free to just go back, pick up from where you left off. Just have some grace for yourself. Don't worry about too much. Just pick up from where you left off, and then you can catch up and you can meet us at the finish line. So, and the finish line is just more so just to say, hey, we're not going to be doing these videos, but the rhythm, what you've built over the past 30 days is so important. And you're about to just building on top of that. You're not just stopping because we've reached the end, then you stop, then you go back to the old patterns and old habits. We continuing to build. This is just a reset. Now we start building on top of what we've already achieved and accomplished over the past